Guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so what do we have when we see this beautiful rose gold envelope? Jewlybox. I love Jewlybox. I love it. It's a jewelry subscription service, and in January and in February, guys, they have been including little gifts for us. And the gift for February is this absolutely beautiful rose gold pen with like a little diamond, or how would you say, on top. It's so cute and chic and like, you know. All right, so this is the little thing for February, the little, and it says Marilyn pen. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? We are feeling super girly with this fun addition to our workspace. Add this to your workspace and feel extra glamorous. This makes me think of like Jeffree Star. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so everything comes in this little pouch right here with this gorgeous blush colored string. And we have a bracelet, a ring, and a necklace this month. Oh, this necklace looks beautiful. Wow. This is called the Samantha Necklace, and it is a heart necklace. And look how beautiful that is. Can you see? It's so pretty. And it retails for $24.99. I'm gonna put this on because it's absolutely gorgeous. So pretty, guys. Look how gorgeous that is. It's so beautiful. If you see it here like in the mirror, you'd be like amazed, just like I am. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. Next thing in here is a bracelet, and this is the Rebecca bracelet. And this looks like the one that I got before, except that this has these beautiful little, like, let's see if it says it here. I don't know what they are. It's like little arrows or like flowers or something. But I love these bracelets that they put in here. I cannot get over it. I'm obsessed. Yeah, they're little flowers. I could see it now that it's on my wrist. It's like little petals. I'm wearing this to work tomorrow. Like this and this necklace. I'm obsessed. Look how pretty that is. Look how beautiful that looks on the wrist. Oh my God. I don't think I want to cancel this box now. Like, I was thinking that this was going to be my last month. This is so beautiful. And the last thing in here is a Christie ring. And this retails, oh, this retails for $39.99. And then this Christie ring retails for $19.99. It says you should try wearing, it's adjustable so you can pull it open. And they say try wearing it on your middle finger to give like a little different. I definitely will try that, even though my middle finger is like huge. Oh, but it looks so pretty. No, it looks weird on my middle finger. I'll show you. There it is. Doesn't it look like it's strangling my middle finger? So pretty though. That's a really pretty, like, delicate little piece. Now it looks a little bit better on my ring finger. So pretty. Oh my God, guys, I loved this February box. I loved it. Oh my gosh, I love the pen too. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't want to take off all this jewelry. It's so pretty. Guys, it's so worth it. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can subscribe because it's so worth it. If I find like a code or something, I'll put it down below too. I love this. Like, do you guys remember back in the days when I really loved Bezel Box or Bezel Box? I never figured out how to pronounce it. I don't know if you guys remember that. I used to love Bezel Box and I would always get it every month. I'm like, right now I'm at the same point like that where I'm really loving the pieces I'm getting. And just for reference, you guys, I get like the dainty, because they have like a dainty and a statement that you can pick. And you guys know that I love statement stuff, but I decided to get like the dainty pieces so I could get things like this bracelet and stuff like that. And I'm so happy that I picked that because I love everything that I got. Look at this. Like, I cannot get over the necklace. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, guys, Ting, ting, ting. I'm definitely wearing this stuff tomorrow because I'm obsessed. And then of course you guys know I'm obsessed with the bubble wrap with the packaging. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Jewlybox. I'm like obsessed again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what piece was your favorite, and subscribe, hit the notifications bell, the usual. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye my loves.